여기 정체를 들키고만 전설적인 스파이가 있습니다.
I suppose the term safe house is no longer apt.
Nothing you touch is ever safe, is it? I told you not to come after me.
James, she knows everything.
하지만 조국을 위해 사람의 목숨도 아깝지 않은 남성에게 다른 사람의 목숨 따위는 중요하지 않았죠.
Could have just as easily aimed a few centimeters higher.
And it wouldn't have mattered to you at all, would it? Just as long as you're pleasing your masters.
여성은 이렇게 살인 기계로 키워진 남성에 대해 질문을 합니다.
When it's just you, all alone, how do you live with yourself? Do you even know who you are?
Line? Sorry. Sorry, Helen.
샤는 지금 영국에서 가장 뜨고 있는 배우 중 한 명입니다. 그리고 지금 영국 배우라면 최고의 명예나 다름없는 제임스 본드 오디션을 보는 중이죠.
That's why I was thinking quick reset back to once. I'll nail it this time.
How are you blowing this audition?
I know the speech. I know it.
Yeah, you fucked it up every time at the exact same moment.
헬렌은 샤의 잠재력을 믿기 때문에 여러 번 기회를 줬지만 무슨 일인지 샤는 가장 중요한 대사에서 계속 실수를 합니다.
You know what? They didn't want to see you. I had to convince them, so this is on me.
I've got a confession to make. I'm lightheaded from fasting. It's the holy Muslim month. It's called Ramadan. It involves no eating and drinking in the day. I'm lightheaded from if I get a bit of a cultural understanding.
Well, I've just seen you drink apple juice 6 takes in a row. I tried. It's just a shame you didn't.
Thanks so much for coming in, Sharon.
천금 같은 기회를 놓친 것에 스스로가 한심하기만 한 샤.
You want to know what it's like? Doing the dirty work, fighting everybody and being nobody.
대기실에서 대사를 떠올려보지만 이젠 의미 없는 행동입니다.
You knew it. You knew it. What's wrong with you? Do you know who you are? I'll tell you who you are. You're a fucking failure who just shat on your last chance of being somebody. You should be ashamed of yourself. You are ashamed of yourself because you're ashamed of your family. You're fucking nobody. You're nothing. You're just a fucking dumb fucking bag. Come in.
오디오 스태프가 들어와 눈치를 줍니다.
Forgot to grab your mic.
Sure.
쫓겨나듯 밖으로 나가는 샤.
Just so you know, there's a photographer camped out front, so I'm going to take you around the side.
Oh, okay, yeah.
The press gets a pic of anyone who's auditioned, and the whole Bond rumor mill goes crazy.
이때 놀라운 생각이 머릿속을 스칩니다.
Sorry, you know what? I just realised I left my charger in the dressing room.
Oh, I'm happy to come
I'll
with.
go and grab it, but another way.
Are you sure?
Thank you, though. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
샤는 자연스럽게 정문으로 돌아간 뒤 대기하고 있는 기자를 발견합니다. 그리고 수백 번을 연구하고 연습한 표정과 각도로 사진을 지키는 샤. 이제 인터넷에는 자신이 차기 본드로 유력한 것 같다는 기사가 나올 겁니다.
Hey! Dude!
What?
I know you, mate! I'm a huge fan!
이때 한 남자가 샤를 알아보고 팬이라며 사진을 요청합니다.
Babe, check it out. Walking down the street, guess what I've been to? Dev fucking Patel!
What?
Dev Patel, just walking down the street.
다른 아랍계 배우와 자신을 착각한 남성. 하지만 샤는 이런 관심이 싫지는 않은지 데브 파텔인 척 연기를 합니다.
It was an amazing honor to be part of Slumdog Millionaire. It was a great film that people loved, that I loved. I loved that film, and I mean, my family, my community, I mean, internationally.
He's not Dev Patel.
What?
He's not Dev Patel. Look how short he is. Dev is tall, strong, handsome. Our Gujarati hero.
이때 사촌 줄피가 택시를 타고 나타나 나쁘끄러운 상황을 모면합니다. 그리고 둘은 이슬람 명절인 이드를 앞두고 큰 집인 샤이의 어머니 댁으로 향합니다. 그런데 숙모와 어머니가 명절 준비로 기싸움을 하고 있습니다.
मेरी सिल्वर वाली की जरूरत है क्या कल
नहीं नहीं
सिल्वर
है,
वाली
ठीक-
सेट
नहीं नहीं थैंक
पर अच्छी लगेगी ना
है कुछ तो है
तो
हमारे
पुरानी
पास
हो
भी।
गई ना
Assalamu alaikum, auntie.
शादी बेटा look at you all grown up huh? such a strong boy माशाल्लाह
2달 만에 방문한 아들이 그저 반가운 어머니.
काम वाम ठीक चल रहा है गूगल अलर्ट्स में मैंने कुछ देखा नहीं कुछ टाइम से ना
Yeah, there's stuff going on. I just not allowed to talk about it.
डोंट टॉक अबाउट इट ओके जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट
나중에 말해주겠다며 대화를 피하는 샤. 그리고
Baba, have you seen a brown leather case about this big? It's got my name written on it in gold.
오래전 시상식에서 받은 기념품을 챙깁니다. 그때
Oi, cousin.
Oh shit! What are you saying?
No, man, I'm blessed. What's this?
What's what?
You're forgetting to take out your tags.
Oh,
Bruh! Is that you, yeah?
give me
Baba,
that.
see how your boy's spending?
give me that.
사촌은 직장에서 잘렸는데 집으로 들어가면 욕먹을 것 같아 어머니 댁의 신세를 지고 있었습니다.
If you need work experience, I could sort you from Felicia. I told you.
No, listen. If you really want to help me, take me to Taser Show tonight.
शाजू खा
Look,
लो
DJ, is he playing tonight?
오래전 동창이 잘 나간다는 반가운 소식. 그리고 잠시 뒤
Oh my god. Sharpa, are you going to be the next James Bond?
What?
हैं मतलब
Wait. It might be Cap.
Can I have a look at that?
बॉन्ड वाला बॉन्ड
Oh shit! No! It's legit. What the fuck? Oh my god! What's Bond? This is crazy. This is crazy. Wait. Chill, man.
Check the website. It's BBC. We can't trust him.
Greg Daniel मर गया क्या साला?
But why didn't you tell me? You sneaky fuck.
It's just an audition.
सुपर जेम्स बॉन्ड मेरा शाजू
Listen, it's an audition. It's a photo from today's audition. That's all it is.
Oh man, James Bond is white.
चुप हरामजादे हमेशा नजर लगाता मेरे बच्चों को चुप
I'm the haramzada. He's playing. Do you know how much sex James Bond does? वो तो sex करता है, पा करते
तो करता है तो क्या हो गया तो उसमें क्या हो गया
I'm the harami and he's
No,
shaggy.
I'm
ये
actually
उन लोगों
smart.
का मुल्क है इनको भड़काओ नहीं.
오디션만 봤을 뿐 결과는 모른다고 하지만
Daniel Craig got paid 20 M's for the last movie.
my शाजू will get 21
가족들은 샤의 말을 듣지 않습니다.
Cause yo, look at me. I'm proud of you. Yeah. Fucking James Bond, my guy.
Let's
Come
see.
on.
Let's see what happens.
Of course, inshallah. But do they know about the height?
What do you mean?
They're gonna give you special shoes. Like James Bond's a big, ain't it? I'm just saying it for you. For you.
샤는 자신의 자취방으로 돌아옵니다. 그리고 밀린 고지서를 말없이 바라보는데 시상식에서 기념으로 받은 시계를 팔면 해결이 가능해 고민을 하고 있습니다.
Yeah. Where you been?
에이전트인 펠리시아가 기사를 보고 제작사 동향을 살펴보았습니다.
Well, they are very surprised about how much you're trending. And
Right.
because of the reaction, they might give you a second chance to audition.
Fuck! Yes! Oh!
기적 같은 두 번째 기회를 얻은 샤. 그리고 그는 오디션 때 입은 옷을 환불하기 위해 정리를 하며 통화를 하는데 제작사는 샤의 인종과 젊은 연기파 이미지를 좋게 보고 있다는 얘기를 듣죠.
Okay. So what are you saying? Maybe I should lean into it? Or because Taze and them lot are doing a show tonight. I could maybe do a little thing there.
There's nothing to lean into. You just are. Listen, just don't do anything and stay home.
Yeah. Done.
하지만 좀이 쑤셔 절대로 가만히 있지 못하는 샤. 멋지게 차려입고 테이즈의 공연장으로 향하는데 입구에서부터 많은 사람들이 샤를 알아보고 축하의 말을 건넵니다.
Oh shit. Hey,
What are you doing here?
me? What are you doing here?
You're everywhere today.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
샤의 전 여친입니다.
What's good? Look who's back on the scene! Rickshaw!
What's up, brother? This shit blew up, huh?
친구가 성공한 래퍼가 된 것에 놀랐는데 그 모습에서 진정성은 느껴지지 않습니다.
I just had a mad thought. Like, wouldn't it be sick if I warmed up for you lot tonight? Because I think the crowd would love it. Be like a reunion. Be like old times, bro.
Man, like, how dare you, bro? You know, nothing. You come back. You act like you fucking own this place. Walking through here all like, look at me.
Bravo. I didn't mean it like that. I didn't mean it like
I didn't mean it like that.
You're a dickhead. You're a dickhead.
친구들의 장난에 어색한 웃음을 짓는 샤. 그리고 데이지는 샤의 아이디어를 받아들이고 마이크를 더 준비하겠다고 말합니다.
There's like a lot of hate coming at you on the internet right now. Just don't pay attention to it, alright? It's all bullshit.
London, are you ready for taste?
잠시 화장실로 향하며 기사를 다시 살펴보는 샤. 이때 샤는 알 수 없는 불안 증상이 다시 나타납니다. 그리고 이때 샤의 집 앞에 불청객들이 찾아옵니다.
아, 이거부터 누구서 봐. 알라후 라 일하하 일랄라.
Arse, salami, fuck, yeah. 007.
Shah Latif. Welcome to Sir Chatrick Stewart. With me, Sir Patrick Stewart.
It's an honor to be here.
샤는 팟캐스트에 출연하여 어제 하루 동안 겪었던 믿기 힘든 일들을 얘기합니다.
Daniel Craig's a dear friend. Big shoes to fill. Do you think you're up to the job?
Yes. Yes, I do. Now, more than ever, I'm ready to show the world that I've got what it takes.
테러와 다름없는 혐오스러운 일을 겪었지만 절대 굴하지 않겠다는 샤. 다음날 에이전트의 소개로 보안 전문가를 만나봅니다.
Alicia tells me you do security for all the top wankers.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. And always happy to take on a few up-and-coming wankers as well, so...
Do you do personal? Because I might have an event tonight.
Yeah, no, we do the full service. Even got a food taster if you need one. Tell you what, let's have a look in the house and we can talk about that afterwards, yeah?
샤는 집 주변을 설명하며 보안을 어떻게 하면 좋을지 아이디어를 내는데 전문가인 나인절도 고개를 끄덕일 정도로 디테일하고 합리적인 계획입니다.
You really know your stuff?
Well, I played the translator in Homeland Season 7.
Yes, you did. They got a lot of shit wrong on that show.
그래서일까요? 샤는 어려운 삶을 살아온 이민자에겐 이 정도 고난은 아무것도 아니라며 허세를 부립니다.
Luckily, I'm already very experienced at navigating attacks of various kinds, whether in the public eye or on the home front, as it were.
집안엔 사촌형 줄피가 있었습니다.
What the fuck's all this? What does it look like? Security guards?
샤가 걱정됐는지 친구들을 잔뜩 불러온 줄피. 그리고 형들이 가져온 CCTV는 충전기도 없는 걸 보니 누가 봐도 훔쳐온 것이었죠.
Allah provides, bro.
Does he?
Yes.
Does he provide discount rate mujahideen as well? I know these guys, bro. They're too thick to make it into ISIS.
형들이 한심한지 한숨이 나오는 샤.
Shaju beta be a Janu and help me take this to the car. Chalo na.
숙모는 명절 손님을 맞이하기 위해 케밥을 해오겠다며 냄비를 가져가십니다. 그런데
What are you doing?
어머니는 자신이 큰 집이라며 숙모의 도움을 불편해합니다.
20 fucking years she's been trying to steal Eid. Already bringing a country swelling kebabs.
I like kebabs.
Tahira, ab hai.
Naila! अरे 2 दिन लगातार
하지만 포기하지 않는 숙모.
Kal raat ke baad sadly it's no longer safe here na. Why not move into my house?
그리고 보안 전문가도 숙모의 편을 들어줍니다.
I just want to say that holy days like this are an absolute lightning rod for bad actors, so perhaps you should think about moving your Eid celebrations to a different location.
Hey Benjo, chup. One layover in Dubai thinks he knows our business. कौन है ये?
No, I've got tremendous respect for Islamic culture, especially after 6 tours of Afghanistan. So.
파키스탄 사람들은 텔레반과 관련 없습니다. 이건 한국인에게 한국 문화를 잘한다며 중국에서 살아봤다고 하는 격이죠.
As you quote, although I would be willing to postpone payment, in consideration of the future work, because if my internet searches are correct, then you will be needing our services a lot more in the future.
Well, let's see what happens. It's really reasonable. Could you just leave it with me? I'm getting a few different quotes in.
가격이 부담스러워 일단 돌려보내는 샤.
Well, by the way, those stolen dash cams, the battery life is so. Bring a charger. All right? You can have that for free.
Cheers, Nigel. Why are you wasting your money on these rent affairs, bro? I've had your back since day. I heard you going to this gala tonight. On your own, or?
오늘 킹스 박물관에서 중요한 행사가 열립니다. 샤도 이곳에 초청받았는데 만약 발언 기회를 얻게 된다면 본디역을 따내는 데 유리한 방향으로 여론을 만들어갈 수 있을 겁니다.
Wait, that is a proper go fuck out there. It's a good job I came to babysit you.
줄피는 사진을 찍을 때 자연스럽지 못한 샤의 표정을 지적하며 샤 본인다운 표정을 지으라고 말합니다.
You know the face that you do when you're on the red carpet. It looks like you're trying to shag that camera, but you're worried the camera's going to shag you back.
No, I'm not. Don't put that in my head right now. You're going to put me off.
그런 적 없다는 샤에게 사진을 보여주며 확인시켜주는 줄피. 그런데
Raj Thakur? Motherfucker.
같은 아랍계 액션 배우도 물망에 오르게 되고 결국 샤는 자신이 라즈보다 더 가치 있다는 걸 증명해야 하는 상황에 이릅니다.
Is that why you wanted to make a speech at the King's Museum Gala?
Exactly. To show people that this is what a hero can look like.
박물관 앞에는 대영 제국 시절 빼앗은 유물을 돌려주라며 시위가 한창입니다.
Hey, yo, listen. I support the team, but when you finish tonight, please get home with Muba.
줄피는 이슬람 사람만 상대하는 무바 택시를 운영하고 있습니다.
Sorry, there's no service in your area.
I'm Turkish.
You're Turkish? Then there's service in your area. Thank you.
그때 시위대의 샤를 알아보는 팬이 나타납니다.
Hey, yo, cuz, come and get a picture with your one and only fan. Come on.
안 됩니다. 오늘은 자신의 가치를 영국에 증명해야 하는데 영국의 만행을 고발하는 시위대와 사진을 찍었다간 모든 계획이 망할 겁니다.
Man sold out. You should be out here with us.
Hey, yo, man, just wanted a photo with you. What's the problem?
Bro, if I get a photo take with them lot, it's not the right image I'm going for right now. All right? The real change happens in there. We got to get in there.
줄피는 샤가 변했다며 섭섭해합니다. 하지만 샤는 살아남기 위한 거라며 충고를 무시합니다.
Same way we deal with everything. As a team, together. I'm proud to say that we've all got each other's backs.
샤는 관계자를 만나 오늘 연설을 할 수 있을지 묻지만 이미 자리가 차버린 상태라 연설자 중 시간을 나눠줄 사람이 있는지 찾아보라는 말을 듣습니다.
And now, to the more uncomfortable part of our chat. You didn't think this was going to be all softballs, did you? Raj Thakur, your rival? A day ago, you were the only brown bloke up for the job. And now, there are two. And word on the web is he'd make a better Bond.
Yeah, well, I don't really pay attention to what people say about me. It's just not in my nature.
You should, old chap. He's a bigger name with a bigger fan base. And I dare say he's thought of as a better actor.
That's subjective.
Cut the camel shit, Latif. You couldn't even convince that museum director to let you speak. How do you expect to convince the world that you can be Bond? You don't stand a chance in a horse pajamas, do you? You pussy hole.
He's to go on the dish, you push cunt!
No use being angry with me. You only have yourself to blame.
I'm trying.
Try harder. Do you understand?
라지를 찾아가 부탁하는 샤.
Yeah, when was the last time I saw you? Mango Tree premiere. Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Man, you were so good in that.
Thank you.
Did you guys see that? Under the Mango Tree. So it's about this magical mango tree. This white woman eats a mango. She travels back in time to colonial India, falls in love with this Indian guy, and they have this relationship over space and time. It's about how love's timeless and crosses all sorts of boundaries. I don't know why I didn't connect more.
Actually, can I? Where are you from?
조심히 말을 꺼냅니다.
Just the one thing's got people going mental, hasn't it?
Yeah, people are passionate, man.
It's just the hate, though. The hate it's a lot, right? I know you're probably getting a lot of that too.
Not really. Nothing to cry about. Just got to stay grateful. People are busting their asses at dead-end jobs just to put food on the table. We live in the dream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we are.
덩치도 좋고 싸움도 잘하는 라지는 샤처럼 힘든 어린 시절을 보내지 않았습니다.
It's just some psycho sent a pig's head to my mum's house. So.
You serious?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
That's actually why I'm here. I want to show them that no amount of hate is going to make me hide. And actually, if this museum can house treasures from all around the world, then this country has to take in people from all around the world. Am I right?
Yeah, preach.
Yeah? And
bro.
I just want to make a statement showing that this too is what British looks like.
연설할 기회를 달라며 부탁하는 샤.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
You've got something important to say. I want to be a part of that.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, why don't I go up first, and then I'll bring you up.
이때 줄피가 나타납니다.
There you are.
Hey.
I know you.
Oh, it's my security guy.
The Muba guy. Yeah, I overheard you chatting about it earlier. I love the concept.
Thank you, brother.
라지는 지인들에게 홍보해주겠다며 줄피의 명함도 받아갑니다. 그리고
I gotta go. That's my mum.
You brought your mum?
Yeah. Wouldn't be here without her, so shouldn't be here without her, you know.
샤와 다르게 가족을 부끄러워하지도 않고 이 자리에 함께 참석까지 했죠.
Security guy. That's all I'm doing.
You literally told me to bring you here as security. Why are you getting cranky? Oh, you haven't broken fast, huh?
No, I haven't. Of course I'm hungry,
Then
man.
eat a canapé.
Champagne, gentlemen.
Just have a little canapé, bro.
연설이 시작됩니다.
Good evening. In 2001, we watched in horror as Taliban fanatics laid waste to a once great nation's cultural heritage. We wept as monuments to peace were turned to rubble. But tonight, we right this wrong. After a 9-year, £15 million restoration project, it is my honour to present to you tonight the restored Buddha of Bamiyan.
진행자는 라지를 앞으로 부릅니다. 그리고 샤는 목이 터져라 환호를 보냅니다.
It's an honor to be here, I mean. Wow. This museum is home to artifacts from around the globe, and so it should follow that England too is home to people from those same places.
잠깐, 많이 들어본 내용입니다.
Recently, racist hate took the form of a severed pig's head delivered to my family's doorstep. It was horrific. There was blood everywhere. My mother was left traumatized. Mummy, I'm sorry.
완전히 뒤통수를 맞게 된 샤. 당했습니다.
But no amount of hate will make me hide. Those driven by prejudice, they need to see us in these spaces. And because this too is what British looks like. Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me, Mr. Latif. You have a situation? The man claiming to be your brother has been harassing and racially profiling museum guests.
이때 라지는 샤를 앞으로 호명하고 샤는 줄피를 버리고 강단으로 나갑니다.
So, let's talk about your big moment. The speech that never was. A silky bit of spycraft from Thacker. He's clearly made for the role. Not to mention he can get the bleeding lines out.
Line? I can do better. I can.
Can you now? Let's see.
I also had a pig's head sent to my mum's house.
Nice one, dickhead. You're more frozen than me. But it's not your acting that's the problem, is it? It's who you are. You don't have the balls to be Bond.
Shut up! Hey, yo, cuz, come on, me, you want an only fan.
You turned your back on your own fans.
Mansoda!
You turned your back on your own family.
Get the fuck off me, bro.
Face it, people like you are never the heroes of the story. You'll always just be a scared little packy.
Send him back where he came from!
그때 시위자가 난입하자 억눌린 분노를 터뜨리며 달려가는 샤. 잠깐, 샤의 팬입니다.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, you?
What were you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Nothing, bro. It's 2 a.m. Were you talking to someone or what?
Oh, sorry, man. I was just running lines.
In a suit?
Costume, innit?
Okay, well, the moon's been sighted, so. Eid Mubarak. Yeah. Night, you weirdo.
Eid Mubarak, bitch.
다음날 샤는 에이전트를 만나 이 문제를 해결하고자 합니다.
A lot of people seem to like the whole action man routine. I reckon it will help them visualize me as Bond.
좋은 댓글엔 악플이 있는 것처럼 샤의 시원한 대응을 칭찬하는 사람도 있긴 했습니다. 문제는 그런 건 댓글뿐이라는 거죠. 샤를 향한 노골적인 비판 기사를 쓴 전 여친, 심지어
However, this is a big problem. The person you assaulted, you broke his arm and now he wants an apology.
사과를 하지 않으면 고소하겠다는 샤의 팬 시드. 심지어 시드는 유명한 인플루언서였고 샤보다 팔로워도 많았습니다.
Has he got more followers than me?
Charlotte Teef here. Eid Mubarak to everyone celebrating. I want to address the incident at the King's Museum last night. You might have heard about it or seen it. Well, I lived it. And I want you to know that in that moment, I wasn't thinking at all. I was acting out of sheer instinct.
샤의 사과 영상은 미안하다는 말이 쏙 빠진 민족과 공동체를 위해 노력하다 벌어진 피치 못할 일이었단 변명만 계속 반복합니다.
Oxford educated, but no sense. Why did you attack that young man?
Don't listen to him. Come, let's take a selfie.
And I want you to know that I'm going to do everything in my power to make up for it and to make it right.
어머니는 숙모의 집에서 명절을 지내는 게 불만입니다.
Should have worn black. It would go better with the animal bitch's gold palace.
Eid is my day. It belongs to all Muslims. Mummy.
It's mine. And she took it.
악에 바친 샤는 숙모는 자신을 도와줄 가족이 없다며 우리 둘이서 주인공 행세를 하자고 말합니다.
She doesn't have a main attraction. You and me can be the stars of the show.
그렇게
Samina?
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. So happy you could come. We've decided to co-host this year.
바쁘게 움직이는 어머니와 샤.
ये सब जो डेकोरेशन देख रही हूँ शाजू के पेंट हाउस से.
The Quran says charity is a blessing.
그런데 이때 펠리시아에게 연락이 오고 사과 영상을 다시 찍으라는 말을 듣습니다.
First, you forgot to say the words "I'm sorry," which is kind of key to the whole thing.
대충 빈 방에 들어가 영상을 찍습니다.
Hi everyone, Charlotte Teef here. Now last night at the King's Museum, a brother and I came into conflict. Now I should not have reacted the way that I did. And the brother in question perhaps should not have run at me with a metal object the way that he did.
하지만 여전히 자기 얘기만 하는 샤. 그때 숙모아들이 두바이에서 돌아옵니다.
मेरा सलीम आ रहा है.
살림은 두바이에서 사업을 크게 성공시켰습니다. 그래서 영국에서 살고 있는 파키스탄 친인척들은 그를 매우 자랑스럽게 생각하고 있고 이슬람 택시를 시작한 줄피는 사업 확장을 위해 살림의 투자를 받으려고 노력합니다.
How you been? I've been good, bro.
Yeah? You've been breaking shit.
What do you mean by that?
Glass ceilings.
Thank you. Trying, man. Trying.
Yeah. And that guy's arm.
It's just a fracture.
샤는 어제 연설이 망한 이유를 줄피의 탓으로 생각합니다. 그래서 줄피의 사업 얘기를 계속 방해합니다.
I've been there from day one, I remember. Bro, I'm so proud of this guy. Gus Smith, so proud. And you know what's amazing? He's always been an entrepreneur. If anything, he just went from selling grams to Instagram.
샤는 불안증 환자처럼 갈팡질팡합니다. 전 여친의 뉴스가 머리를 떠나지 않아 메시지를 보내지만 자신은 이미 차단된 상태입니다. 그리고 아버지와 친인척들은 샤가 이스라엘 스파이라는 말도 안 되는 음모론을 접하는 등 모든 상황이 그를 극단적으로 몰아갑니다.
Next year, Eid is back at yours, no?
No, absolutely, yes. Very kind of you to step in this year, Naila.
Taira, bura mat mano. I worry for him, for all of you. It's so much pressure.
That's very kind of you to worry,
I
Naila.
see a bit of your sister in him. Does Shahjahan have someone he can talk to?
He has me.
Ruqayya had you too, but she needed more help, na? Zamana badal gaya hai, Taira. It's okay to talk about these struggles now, really.
Thank you. It's all good. It's first class.
또 펠리시아에게 연락이 옵니다.
Shah, we need that apology. We're running out of time. I've literally written it out for you. Just find a quiet, neutral room, record it and send it back now before it's too fucking late, okay?
빨리 사태를 수습해야 하는 샤. 최대한 화려하지 않은 방을 찾아 영상을 찍습니다.
Hey, Charlotte Teef here. I was involved in an incident last night at the King's Museum that was both unfortunate and avoidable, and I'm deeply sorry. I'm fucking pathetic. Charlotte Teef here. Last night at the King's Museum, I fucked up a guy running at me with a metal object, and apparently I'm the one who has to apologize.
도무지 자존심이 꺾이지 않는 샤. 직접 시드에게 연락합니다.
Hello? Yeah, hi, is this Sid?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, this is Charlotte Teef.
Is it?
I just don't know what came over me. I really hope you can find it in your heart to please forgive me.
Sure. I appreciate this, man. Like, I really do. I was gonna call my lawyers, but then the fact you called, man.
Oh, bro, he's been eating me up the whole day.
Can't tell you how much this means, man. Legit.
Well,
do you mind just sending me what you just said? Like in a recording?
Sorry?
I need the engagement, bro.
Right. I mean, I guess so.
Nice, man. Appreciate it. Alright. Oh, and thanks for the follow, mate. Just remember, keep the vid under 90 for the algorithm, yeah?
그때 아버지가 쓰러지십니다.
What happened?
He fell.
하루 종일 딴청을 부리다 갑자기 가장 행세를 하는 샤.
Is anyone getting any water?
Pani?
Uncle, do you want to get a blanket or something?
What?
Are you good, bro? Bro, are you good?
Are you dumb? He's a fucking diabetic, and you're giving him boxes of sweets. Shabash, beta.
Shall I just fuck off again, yeah? You better when I'm not around, that's what you're saying. No, what? He's not my dad, he's your dad. Shaju? Huh? Shaju.
You know what? You think you're a fucking bad man. Yeah? How? Fucking, yeah, my people is my... How the fuck you gonna help your people if you're too busy sucking white people's dicks?
어머니는 아들의 체면을 생각해 돌려보내려 하는데 아버지는 손님들께 안 좋은 모습을 보였다며 아들을 다그칩니다.
Why are you saying Nikalja to me? No, ask him, why is he saying that to me? Baba, what did I do? What did I do? I'm trying to fucking make a difference. I'm not just sat there fucking complaining about everything where you lot will judge me. Huh? Why are you fucking touching me? Don't touch me. I'm trying to change the world, alright? So anyone doesn't look at you and think you're some fucking worthless, stinking, bitter, baggy. Look at me. Get the fuck out of here before I spot. Oh, I'm the problem, am I? She blames you for what happened to your mum, bro. Shut up!
한편 샤의 전 여친 야스민은 라마단 기간이 끝나자 복식을 합니다. 그런데
Oh my god, Yasmin.
What the fuck?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Oh yeah, you come here every year on Eid, don't you? I totally forgot.
아닙니다. 정확하게 기억하고 있기 때문에 야스민을 만나려고 이곳에 온 거죠. 그리고 그 이유는
Okay, so you're here because of the article. Can we stop pretending?
I'm sorry, what article?
자신을 비난한 야스민의 기사 때문일 텐데 무슨 일인지 샤는 절대 아니라며 발뺌을 합니다.
Dude, you know how it's like. I got busy. You're busy. Well, I'm sure you're not fixated on every little thing that I'm doing, right?
This is a strong take. I've got to hand it to you.
I don't know what you mean. It sounds like you think I'm like killing myself to be something that I'm not.
And you memorized it. That's sad.
야스민의 기사는 노골적인 유색인종을 캐스팅하는 제작사의 행태뿐만 아니라 샤를 향한 인신공격에 가까운 개인적인 이야기도 포함되어 있었습니다.
Full disclosure, Charlotte and I know one another and have spent time together socially. Is that how you're going to describe our relationship? Well, that's how you describe the relationship,
And you
right?
calm down. These people are not your audience. You're ruining their dinner and mine.
This is revenge porn, man. This is revenge porn dressed up as an identity politics and pop culture think piece.
Is it revenge porn if you're fucking yourself over?
Yeah, actually it is. That's a subgenre of revenge porn. Yeah, it is. It doesn't matter what kind of porn it is.
Delete that now.
It's not...
Delete that or I'll break your fucking nose with it.
Yeah, it's good.
And the deleted pics folder. What do you think? I'm fucking thick?
Hey, Yasmin, cholo, man. So look there, okay?
Isn't that what you want? And that's not a private language here, you idiot.
Dude, can you just delete it? If you wanted a selfie, you can talk to me. I'm very approachable. Okay, Uncle. Yeah, thank you. Dude, enjoy your milkshake. Thank you. Yeah, show's over. What are you doing? Are you kidding me?
Enjoy a little fan club.
Come on, man. That's taking the... Have you even paid? Is she paid?
Yes, I paid.
Well, and I'm the dramatic one. Oh, okay, look, time out, please. I just want to talk.
Excuse me.
After all this time, I'm so sorry about that. Can we just have a chat? This is not right, man. It's not right. Sure. Look here. I want to drink something, Fucking hell.
드라마는 이때 런던을 돌아다니는 모습을 원테이크로 촬영하는데 저의 영상에서는 이 부분을 모두 담지 못하니 꼭 아마존 프라임에서 직접 감상하시기를 바랍니다.
Find how we...
Cunt, fuck.
What?
I left my bag at the restaurant.
Okay, do you have to go back there
It has
now?
my passport in it and I'm leaving tomorrow.
Where are you going?
Fuck, Argentina.
What? Why are you going to Argentina?
Wait, someone's taken it. Look, my AirPods are moving. Fuck.
누군가 식당에 놓고 온 야스민의 가방을 들고 이동 중입니다. 택시를 잡으려 하지만 잡히지 않자 그녀의 손을 붙잡고 어디론가 가는 샤.
Come on. 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 Yeah.
Seriously?
Hey, mate. Listen. Can you give us a lift?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah?
How fast is this guy?
Not that fast.
Faster than walking, isn't it?
Well, yeah, it's a bike.
If you annoy me, I will ditch you.
Oh,
Understood?
You always say that, but you're still here.
Yeah, well, I'm leaving the country tomorrow, aren't I? Hey, this is an emergency. Can you follow this dot?
Yeah? Alright, Auntie, I got you.
Auntie, you're definitely gonna get tipped.
인력거를 타고 이동합니다. 그리고 둘은 호흡이 점점 진정되기 시작하자 사귀던 시절의 추억을 되새깁니다.
How is he?
He's not good. Nah, it's not, Yeah, he's not good. I think my whole family hates me.
They probably do.
가족들은 유독 야스민을 좋아했습니다. 최소한 그녀와 헤어지게 된 이유가 샤의 가족 때문은 아니란 소리죠.
Thanks. Yeah. 10% off your next ride.
Leaving tomorrow.
Well, when you get back then.
Not coming back.
What do you mean you're coming back?
Doesn't matter.
야스민은 다큐 촬영 때문에 아르헨티나로 갈 거라고 말합니다. 그리고 가방을 찾기 위해 도착한 곳은 클럽이었습니다.
25 head.
Oh, I'd like to pay, please. But I don't have my wallet or phone, so...
How's this become an expensive date for me?
더치페이도 아니고 돈 얘기가 나오자 뒤로 쏙 빠지는 샤. 왜 헤어졌는지 알 것 같습니다.
Okay, what kind of bum bag?
Just a bag.
Right.
Neon. Pink and yellow.
Wait, is this the one that I got you?
Yeah.
Oh.
그때
Shaw! Might be a bit tricky.
Oh, shit.
관리자는 얼굴에 페인팅을 해야 들어올 수 있다 말하고 야스민은 샤의 얼굴에 멋진 그림을 그려줍니다.
Or look into her soul.
Why'd you get rid of the nose ring?
I don't know.
You look so much fitter with that nose ring, man. What?
Fuck you.
What? I'm just saying, it took the attention away from that cold, dead look in your eyes.
Probably around the same time as you started losing half your hair.
You know, thinning hair is linked to high levels of testosterone, so it's because I'm manly.
So if you need some money for a hair transplant in Turkey, you just let me know.
샤는 단 한마디도 져주지 않습니다. 그리고 그런 기사를 쓴 이유도 한 번도 묻지 않고 야스민의 가방을 찾는 것에 열중합니다. 어쩌면 그가 야스민을 찾아온 이유는 정말로 기사 때문이 아닌 걸까요?
What are you looking at me for? I don't have it.
그때 또 환청이 들립니다.
Nine? Gotta go to the bathroom, yeah?
자신을 비난하던 목소리. 그 말소리가 머리에서 사라지지 않습니다.
You don't have the balls to be wrong.
Are you fucking mad? Don't listen to him. He's lost his fucking plot.
I'm not the first family member to lose my mind.
정신을 차리고 밖으로 나가려는데 야스민의 가방이 보입니다. 샤는 가방을 찾은 걸 말하지 않습니다.
I just want to say what you're doing. Moving halfway across the world on your own. It's amazing. You're fearless. I've always admired that about you.
Thanks.
그리고 혼자 가는 게 무섭진 않은지, 말이 안 통할 텐데 같이 가는 사람은 없는지 통행자를 확인하려는 질문을 계속 던집니다.
Is it like a good neighborhood? I'm just saying, a woman out there on her own.
I can take care of myself.
I know. The Spanish is kind of shit, so you're gonna need someone to
What are you
translate
doing?
What am I doing? I'm looking for your passports and I'm having a little bit of a rave. What?
Found the bag, didn't you?
No. What?
Yeah, you did, you psycho.
What are you talking about?
You just said passports with a fucking S. Where are they? Where are they?
Fine.
가방을 보여주는 샤. 그는 가방에서 올리버란 백인 남성의 여권을 발견해 집요하게 물어본 겁니다.
Hey, why did you lie to me?
I didn't fucking lie
you
to
didn't
you.
tell me you got a boyfriend. Why do you think I'm here?
You're the one that lied about the passports.
Okay. All right, then I'll be honest now. I'm not here for your fucking article, okay? I'm here for you. Look, I'm here for you. Because I miss you. I miss us.
네, 샤는 누구보다 자신의 편이었고 자신을 가장 잘 이해해줬던 야스민이 그리워 찾아온 겁니다. 하지만 그녀는 이제 자신의 곁을 떠난 남이죠.
Well, how long? A year? That you're moving to another country tomorrow?
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, there's something.
I've got cold feet. This is a fucking big decision.
Okay, so you got cold feet.
Yeah, okay. But I didn't want to see him on my last night in London. I'm out here running around with you. Why is that? But he's fucking great. He's really great and he loves me. And he's reliable and he's there for me. So, I don't know.
이때 자신도 모르게 본능적으로 튀어나온 많이 들어본 대사.
Do you want to know what it's like? Doing the dirty work. Fighting everybody and being a nobody. I don't live with myself. I live with whoever they need me to be. And if I don't know who I am, it's because I feel like maybe you don't want to know.
Are you acting?
No.
Looks like lines.
They are lines, but the feeling is honest.
네, 이 말들은 중요한 순간에 계속 실수를 반복했던 오디션 대사입니다. 그리고 야스민은 힘들어하는 샤를 따뜻하게 안아줍니다. 하지만
Take care. Okay.
샤는 생각에 잠긴 채 집으로 걸어갑니다. 그렇게 먼 거리를 걸어 해가 떠오르기 시작하자 집에 도착한 샤. 그런데
Hello? Mommy, Baba? Q!
You can tell me if he's here or not. You can't keep him. You can't keep him unless you charge him. Have you charged him?
Like I said to you before,
I need to know if he's here. I've been sat there for over an hour now.
새벽 시간에도 만원인 재밌는 런던 경찰서.
Hi, I'd like to... Yeah, I'd like to report a missing family.
Whole families gone missing, have they?
Yes, I think they've been kidnapped by terrorists. What, domestic ones? The white ones.
샤는 형사들에게 CCTV를 건네주며 이걸 열어보면 납치범을 알 수 있다고 말합니다.
What I'm saying is if you just hack into this was set up in the living room, so whatever's taken place will definitely have been recorded on this.
Yeah, so
if we can just get into that.
So that's a very different kind of investigation.
It's a much longer process.
It's cybercrime, really, and this falls under missing persons. So all we're trying to do is just help you find.
Why didn't you report the pig's head when you first got it? Sorry, but it's just details.
Yeah, of course.
그런데 납치 범죄보다 성과가 좋은 혐오 범죄에 형사들은 관심을 더 갖습니다.
I thought I could handle it myself with my private security consultant.
You got a security consultant?
Because I'm an actor and I'm in the news.
Sorry, you're in the news.
Yeah, I might be the next James Bond.
Wait. So you're saying that you're actually like a famous actor?
I didn't say famous. No, I just said, well, actually, yes, my Bond callback is later on this afternoon, but I can't be there if I'm here, and I'm here because my family are on there.
So I'm just making sure we've got private security detail auditioning to be the next James Bond. And got sent the severed pig's head by racist trolls.
I did, because they don't want me to be the next James Bond.
Right, which is why these people have also abducted your family.
그렇게 생각했지만 이렇게 다른 사람에게 말을 꺼내고 보니 조금 허황된 소리처럼 들리기도 합니다.
You sound completely fucking mental.
Okay, mate.
Give us a few minutes, and we'll be right back.
형사들이 나가자 돼지머리가 말을 걸어옵니다.
Focus on this, you sentient ballbag. You should be at home preparing for the audition. Ouch! And you most certainly should not be here. You're not the hero of this story to them. You're the villain. Trust me.
They're going to Google me. And when they do, they're going to see all the Bond chat, and they're going to see that I'm telling the truth.
And then they can tell the papers how you showed up here with a severed pig's head. Think, you turgid gimp. Think!
그의 말에도 일리가 있으니 경찰서를 빠져나오는 샤.
Sorry.
Be cool, man. Police are gonna be watching.
I'm not. I'm just looking for my family. That's not a crime, is it?
Hey, calm the fuck down. I saved you back there.
All right. Okay, I'm sorry. And thank you.
That's more like it. All you've got to do is walk normally. Very weird walk, man.
Sorry.
Be normal.
No, this is normal.
샤의 원룸으로 향합니다.
Oh, whoops-a-daisy.
Gently, cockfingers.
그리고 USB 선을 찾아봅니다.
Shah, time's running out. Say the words with me. Do you want to know what it's like doing the dirty work? Fighting everyone and being no one. I don't live with myself. I live... Hello? I'm giving you gold here.
Fucking yes!
그런데 줄피가 어떤 아이디로 가입을 했는지 비밀번호는 뭔지 알 수 없습니다.
Even if they have been kidnapped, you're no superhero spy. Becoming one should be our focus.
Why don't you try helping for a change?
I am helping. The only version of you that has any value to your family or anyone else is Bond.
Shut the fuck up!
그때 나이절의 명함이 눈에 들어옵니다. 도움을 받기 위해 만나기로 한 샤. 그리고 역으로 향하는데
We've got a problem. We've got dogs.
Oh dear, I'm dry-aged, you realize. Turn around now.
Can't turn around. They've spotted us. It'll be suspicious.
You're a sweaty brown man with a blood-stained duffel bag. You're already fucking suspicious.
태연하게 연기를 하며 지나치려고 하는데
Excuse me, sir.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not even here to catch a train.
Oh, God. No, get back.
Do you mind if I take a look in the bag?
Sit down, boy.
What's in the bag, sir?
Stop, you fucker.
Sir, that won't be necessary.
나이절이 나타나 무슨 말을 속삭이고 경찰들은 샤를 보내줍니다.
How'd you do that?
Well, I've still got a few tricks up my sleeve when it comes to law enforcement.
Must be nice to be tall and white, huh?
Membership has its privileges, shall we?
샤는 가족이 납치된 걸 말합니다. 그리고 나이절은 전문가답게 겁먹은 샤를 진정시켜줍니다.
I like him. He makes me feel safe.
I'm going to put a call out of something called the Killness system. All right. Now, luckily, Wembley is CCTV to the hilt. So if your family have been on any street, actually, in London in the last 8 hours, I will be able to track their exact location down to the inch. And as soon as I get a ping, you'll be the first to know. All right? Yeah, man. All good.
이쯤 되면 돼지머리의 매력에 빠지셨을 것 같은데 이 목소리를 연기한 배우는 엑스맨의 프로페서 X로 유명한 패트릭 슈튜어트입니다.
You are on the precipice of something massive, and all that backlash that you've been experiencing recently, it will only get worse. Trust me, I know.
I've fucked the audition, and my prospects have gone down the toilet. So,
listen, I wouldn't be here talking to you now if that was the case, would I? So you got your recall later, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're going to go in there. You're going to do your audition, and when you do, those decision makers will be primed in your favour.
What?
You understand?
Well, how you can do that? Are you MI5?
경찰을 한 번에 물러나게 했던 나이절. 그리고 영화사나 정치와 관련된 모든 사항을 모조리 파악하고 있는 것. 그는 평범한 보안 전문가가 아니었습니다.
I'm the only call you'll ever need to make. We've got your back.
나이절은 정치적인 힘을 가진 누군가를 돕는 수행원입니다. 그리고 그들은 샤에게 원하는 것이 있었습니다.
Basically, what we're trying to do is we just want to build bridges to your community, and in order to do that, we rely on individuals such as yourself just to help us with messaging. You know, as a prominent Muslim, and soon to be more so, your voice, it carries a lot of weight, Shah. So let's use it.
생각이 복잡해진 샤는 잠시 화장실로 향하고 대지머리와 대화를 합니다. 사람들과는 대화가 안 돼 싸움만 하지만 사람이 아닌 돼지와는 말이 잘 통하는 샤.
I mean, that sounds shady as shit, no?
Shah, I was wrong. Going to Nigel was a masterstroke, albeit an accidental one.
What are you talking about? He wants me to be a snitch.
Snitch? He's not asking you to honey trap an Ayatollah, is he? He's offering you the role of a lifetime in exchange for some light PR work.
I'm not a sellout Fed, sorry.
Sellout? Well, pardon me, Nelson Pissing Mandela. You want to star in a franchise that brazenly sells watches, cars, and the British Secret Service. This is the only way you will land this role.
나이절이 제안한 건 누구보다 샤가 되고 싶었던 영향력 있는 사람입니다. 하지만 뭔가 변화가 생겼는지 그 제안이 이상하게 들렸던 샤.
I guess I just always thought I was someone who represents us to them. You know, not fucking them to us.
You're not representing them or us. This is about you, Shah, and who you want to be. And put simply, do you want to be talking to a pig's head in a toilet, panicking about your career and your family, or do you want to be the hero of this story? The ultimate shitting hero, because that, my friend, is what is on the table.
밖으로 나갑니다. 그런데 나이절을 보자 자세를 낮추죠.
Shah, what the hell are you doing, man? Hello?
I'm improvising.
Oh, God. Actors.
사력을 다해 도망칩니다. 그리고 나이절은 도망치는 샤를 이해하지 못합니다.
Okay. What in Satan's gossip did you just do? We were this close. Answer me.
Hello?
Oh, God, more improv. No one's watching, you malodorous pissflap.
What's your problem, man?
My problem is that I care about you, Shah. I want to make you better.
No, it's just because you say that you're trying to help me, but all you do is shit on me.
It's tough love, and it's the only voice you understand. If I humiliate you, it's to save you from the bigger humiliation of remaining as you are.
You want to chill out. I'm in control now. And I know where we're going.
No. Please, don't fake hang up on me. You need me.
샤는 웸블리에 있는 모스크로 향합니다.
Fine, I'm willing to try things your way. But if we want to be Bond, why are we at Taliban HQ? These savage little Ewoks only hold us back. Don't leave me out here.
샤는 줄피의 택시를 이용했던 사람을 찾으려고 합니다.
Sorry, I'm actually here to look for someone who's gone missing. My brother, Zulfi. I think you know him. He's the big guy who does the cabs. Have you seen him?
Well, inshallah, we're just about to start prayer. Come and join us, and afterwards we can talk.
Okay, it's just a bit of an emergency.
예배를 준비 중인 사람들에게 무작정 물어보는 샤. 그런데
I think some of you know them. I was just wondering if you might have heard anything. I was just hoping someone might be able to help.
Pig's head!
이슬람교 사원의 돼지머리. 이것보다 지옥적인 테러는 없을 겁니다.
Wait, he's with me. It's with me. It's mine. It's mine.
Get out of here! Go the other way!
골목으로 도망칩니다. 그런데
Oi! Get him! Get in the pack!
어릴 때 자신을 괴롭히던 동급생과
You owe me an apology, mate. And a 90 seconds for the algorithm, yeah?
샤에게의 비난의 목소리를 내던 모든 사람들이 나타납니다.
He's not Dev Patel. He's much too short.
You can't handle them alone. I told you that you need to be him. Yes, the strong must replace the weak. Your turn now, Shah.
샤는 본드에게서 도망칩니다. 그리고 돼지머리는 이 현실을 받아들이라고 말하죠.
This is the only way. Can't you see? Surrender. Surrender.
전력으로 도망치던 샤. 하지만
No.
How bad is it?
No, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not too bad.
I feel like it's pretty bad. Feels like I'm missing an eye. Am I missing an eye?
You're gonna be okay. Alright? You're gonna be okay.
샤는 자신에게 혐오를 퍼붓던 돼지머리가 죽어가는 걸 견디지 못합니다. 사실 샤의 가족에게 던져진 돼지머리의 뜻은 단순한 혐오를 넘어 넌 여기에 속하지 않아. 너흰 영국인이 아냐와 같은 영국 사회가 이민자들을 바라보는 차별의 시선입니다. 하지만 무슨 일인지 샤는 이 혐오의 상징인 돼지머리를 버리지 않습니다.
Do you even know who you are?
이 질문은 여배우가 본드에게 던지는 대사입니다. 하지만 자신이 누구인지, 자신의 진정한 뿌리가 어디에 있는지 깨닫지 못하는 샤는 이 질문의 대답을 하지 못했죠. 그래서 자신에게 던져진 혐오를 버리지 못하고 이것을 내면 속에 감추다 보니 그의 목소리는 끝없는 자기 혐오와 수치심이 되어 버립니다. 사실 이 돼지머리를 버리기만 하면 내면 속 목소리를 멈출 수가 있는데 샤는 아직 주변 사람의 목소리를 받아들일 준비가 되지 않아 끝없는 자기 혐오에 갇히게 됩니다.
Luck without me, dickhead.
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
12시간 전
Told you I wasn't lying.
사촌은 샤가 돼지머리와 대화를 한다며 치료가 필요하다고 말하지만 어머니는 다 괜찮아질 거라며 샤의 문제를 덮어주려 합니다.
Why do we always have to pretend like everything's okay when it is
No
not?
one is pretending.
You pretend about everything.
I do not.
You're pretending right now. You are.
그때 이슬람 교도인 아버지는 집에 돼지머리가 들어오자 기절하십니다. 이렇게 그들은 납치가 아닌 병원으로 향합니다.
Where am I?
Nice little sleep. How many fingers?
3.
Name? It says here Shahjahan.
Everyone calls me Shah.
샤는 정신을 차립니다. 그리고 간호사는 여러 가지 질문을 합니다.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an actor.
What you been in then? Anything I've seen?
Probably not. Might be the next James Bond now. Auditions in a couple of hours.
You taking the piss? Well, you have to before you go anywhere. You're dehydrated, love. Fuck.
My family, they're gone. They're missing.
Sounds like a busy day. Doctor will be in soon. Bond, huh? Break a leg.
이때 돼지의 목소리가 사라지자 과거의 기억이 떠오르는 샤. 어릴 적 그가 백인들에게 괴롭힘을 당하면 언제나 줄피가 도와줬습니다. 줄피에게 몹쓸 말을 한 것이 떠올라 죄책감이 느껴지는 샤. 그런데 복도에서 놀라운 사람을 만납니다.
What are you doing, bro? We're in here.
What the fuck are you doing here?
What do you mean? Why do you never reply to your texts, man? Wait, you two. Look who's finally shown up.
Oh my god, thank you.
부모님은 무사했습니다. 자신에게 연락도 했는데 핸드폰이 되지 않아 몰랐던 거죠.
But you have your audition today.
Mommy, fuck the audition. I have to see Sophie.
줄피는 살림과 투자 계약을 위해 오늘 두바이로 떠날 예정입니다. 이 소식을 들은 샤는 사촌과 공항으로 향하는데
Shah!
Oh shit. Yasmin.
우연히 만난 야스민은 샤가 자신을 붙잡으려는 것으로 착각합니다.
I thought I made it clear when we spoke last night that this isn't
Oh
a...
no, I'm not here to try and stop you leaving.
Oh.
We're actually here to try and stop someone else leaving.
I'm sorry, you saw him last night, you didn't tell me that.
Ollie, right? Hey, nice to meet you, man. Yeah, I've heard a lot about you.
비행기가 곧 떠날 시간이라 인사만 하고 사라지는 샤. 그런데 표가 없으니 안으로 들어갈 수 없습니다.
Excuse me. We have reason to believe that this individual is a terror suspect and a security threat.
Sure.
We need to locate them and stop them immediately.
One moment, sir.
What are you doing, bro?
Trust me, it's gonna work.
No, I'm not involved.
Right, you said something about security threat.
I did, yeah. He's traveling to the Middle East. He runs a complex network of drivers, couriers, and black market dashcam suppliers.
And how do you know this?
I have links to the security establishment.
What links?
MI5.
Sorry, I...
MI5.
Yeah, not buying it. Next.
I'm sorry, what do you mean you're not buying it?
You know, tone of voice, body language, the whole performance, really. I just didn't see it in the eyes.
못 들어가는 것보다 발연기란 말에 스위치가 눌린 샤.
Let me go again. You film it this time, and we can watch it back together.
You are already on camera. But if you keep annoying me, I'm going to put you on the news.
Better than having 100 dead bodies and an exploding 747 on the news.
They don't fly 747s anymore.
Because of people like this, I'm trying to tell you. Trained in Chechnya, fought in Afghanistan, the Battle of Kandahar, maybe you've
What are you doing?
Are you saying you're a security threat and a terrorist?
And an entrepreneur.
잠시 대화를 하자며 샤를 데려가는 줄피. 그런데
You got blood?
Oh yeah. I got hit by a car.
차가운 표정과 다르게 다친 샤가 걱정이 되나 봅니다.
Bro, I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. I've been a fucking dickhead. Truth is,
My whole life, I've seen you out here, yeah, doing you.
샤는 다른 사람과 다르게 비싼 사립학교의 좋은 혜택을 받으며 오냐오냐 자랐습니다. 그래서 가족들을 돌보는 건 언제나 줄피의 몫이었죠.
I should thank you. You know what you made me realize? I have to do me.
Wait, is this like a real thank you or like a fuck you thank you?
Both.
물론 이런 혜택을 부러워하기도 했지만 줄 피는 샤를 미워하진 않았습니다.
When you get on that plane?
I'm back in 4 days.
Oh,
why didn't you just call me anyway?
This is too important.
때론 깊은 오해도 짧은 몇 마디로 모든 것이 풀리기도 합니다.
I love you, bro.
Say again?
I said you're a fucking prick.
Yeah, you're a little prick too.
Yeah, that way.
형이 떠나는 모습을 자랑스럽게 바라보는 샤.
I don't know if you're still down, but you could probably still make that audition.
이제 샤는 자신의 정체성에 흔들림이 없습니다. 자신이 누구인지, 뿌리가 어디에 있는지. 그렇게 감독은 다른 배우들에게서 느껴보지 못한 결연한 의지를 샤에게서 보았고 그를 본드 역으로 결정합니다.
No, there's just one more thing. It's just, a bit of a rites of passage.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Back to one.
So now you're going to say your name in 3, 2, 1. Action!
The name's Shah Jahan.